I came aboard this morning helping set up, and it feels like we've really livened up the library space. We've got book selfie display areas. In the teen area, we do have a wishing tree, so we're welcoming people to come in and write down their wishes. Hopefully they'll come true. In the children's area, we have a tote bag decorating area, and lots of kids are happily doing that today. They're kind of getting messy with markers, which is always happy. I think my other favorite station is the bookmaking area. It's something that we haven't really provided. I think it's a big hit. I've seen like the room full of people.
I'm very honored to be invited to the Be the Change Festival. And the one thing about coming to and doing an author talk is that I get to engage with the audience. Community can also ask questions about, how we work, and because every author works differently, every illustrator draws differently, and how we bring our stories into our books, that maybe it can inspire kids to also write and illustrate their own books. So I feel very honored to be in this position.
Libraries mean a gathering place for the community, a place where, of course, you can go and find great material to occupy your mind and expand your mind. Books, magazines, visual medium, movies, you can get it all at the library. And it's a place where when I was a child, I went to for solace, for enjoyment, and so it means a lot to me as an adult.